Welcome to this week's Technology Thursday. I'm the Director of Precision Ag, Jeff Buyck, and just want to review adding map-based prescriptions into your Gen 4 displays, and just two quick things that I want you to look out for this year.
When loading a map-based prescription into your 4600 or 4640 display, in the work setup page we have the target rate for the prescription. So if we just go ahead and hit that, you can see that we do have the RX rate selected. So when we go in here now into the map-based prescription, we're going to select that, and we're going to select the variable rate. And now when we're into the variable rate page, we can see over here on the left-hand side, we do have the different rates going through the field. We have a look-ahead seconds loaded on there, so we want to make sure that that is not 0. But you can verify as you go through the field that the planter is changing as it goes through the zones, and then adjust this rate when you get there. The multiplier is handy, so in this situation we're 2% above the prescribed rate. But one thing I want to draw your attention to is the fields for no GPS and out of range. So the way this one is set up right now is that if we lost GPS or got outside the field, we would be applying a 0 rate, which if you're not running on RTK and you get close to the edge of the field where your prescription is, the planter could stop planting. So I just want to take a look at a few settings on here. So our rate, no GPS rate, we want to make sure that the maintain the previous rate box is checked, or we can uncheck that and then enter in a manual rate for the planter to plant. So those are options there. And then the out of zone rate button down here at the bottom, we can select that and enter in a out of bounds rate here as well. So just a few quick things I want you all to check if you're operating a Gen 4 display and map-based prescription seeding this year.
That's this week's Technology Thursday with C&B Operations. I'm Jeff Buyck, committed to being your dealer of choice.